What's up, guys? How's it going?
Saw, dude.
Welcome to the channel, fam.
Family channel.
Today I'm gonna stab Noah in the face with a knife.
Do it, pussy. Oh. What's up, guys? So we've been at a little bit of a standstill because we didn't have a cherry picker to get the engine out.
Yep.
But we just made a quick little run of Princess Auto, and yeah, we're gonna show you what we picked up.
Yeah, so we just got a 1-ton cherry picker. This is more than enough for what we need it for. This will pull the motor out of this, and I don't know, basically anything except for like a big ass diesel. It's gonna be just fine for. So yeah, this is enough for us. Princess Auto has the cheapest ones for sure if you're Canadian. So yeah, if you need an engine stand, it's the place to go. Even on like Kijiji and Facebook Marketplace, we couldn't find anything cheaper.
Yeah, this thing was like 170 bucks.
Yeah, 170 bucks. We'll give our comprehensive review. So stay tuned.
Yeah, and then just also where to go. Oh yeah, just picked up a leveler too, just to make things a little bit easier.
Just to make life easy.
A little more proper.
Anyways, we'll unbox it and we'll get back to you. Alright, what's up, guys? We finally got this thing built. Took a while. The quality's okay, you kind of get what you pay for sure. But this is how it all came out. So we have the other chain here for the leveler. But yeah, it came out alright. I mean, there's definitely some quality issues, like these holes didn't line up at all, so we had to kind of waller them out and make them fit. What else was there?
That's about it.
Yeah?
Just these holes, yeah, we had to drill them out because they didn't line up.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely not the best quality. Like, if you take a look at some of the things, like, it's kind of jank, but it was 175 bucks, and it's gonna pull the motor, so it is what it is. All right.
Gets the motor out of the car.
Yeah. Yeah, the only thing that we're missing is, obviously, we need some bolts to go through here to actually pick up the motor. So we're just gonna run to Canadian Tire so that we can hook this thing up, and we're ready to pull it. Awesome. All right, guys, it's about that time. Getting the engine stand ready to go here.
Boy.
We got Noah addressing some of the braces underneath here. It's getting real grungy, doing all the shit work. And yeah, we're about to pull this bad boy. Yeah, it's literally just the rear trans brace. And we think that's pretty much it. I mean, usually you miss something, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're getting there.
That was just the one up. Yeah. Make sure that's out of the way. Yeah, we're going to do here actually. Go a little bit. Get out. You know, see anything that we forgot? No, me neither. Oh, I see one. I see one. Oh, shit, that's getting really tight. Yeah.
Big time on the back.
Yeah, that's a big mess.
Too late now. No. Clear? This part's not clear right here. No. Here, it's like both sides. Yeah, just watch that now.
These motor mounts are fucking shot. Are you want to level it out now? It's just hard for you to get. I think if we straight it out, it'd be easier. I think we're both like kind of fit and strong. Yeah. Hell yeah! Nice. Alright guys, as you can see,
Motor's out, baby.
motor is out. Mission accomplished.
What the fuck is that?
Motor mount fell off. But yeah, honestly, that was really smooth for our first engine pull.
Definitely missed that on camera.
Oh yeah, whatever.
It is what it is, guys.
It is
We're
what
new
it
to
is. We're pretty stoked though.
Fuck yeah. Got our motor up, man. I have a feeling it's not going to be enough to crack it.
Alright guys, so now we're just trying to pull the tranny off, and we're gonna kind of check the state of the clutch and whatnot, seeing what parts we need to replace. I'm just gonna kind of make up a parts list as we just do a little bit of an inspection. Just gonna crack all these bolts off. Alright, tranny's off. That's working on getting the pressure plate off.
Give me another bit.
Yeah.
Actually, these ones go.
This is the worst camera angle. This sounds is blast.
Hey, you probably get these.
No, probably not. It's probably a terrible clip.
It's all of them. It's still on there. But looks like a decent amount of material left. I mean, there's definitely enough to keep driving on that clutch. There's lots left. When you look at these and you see like these little patterns and stuff, that's usually a good sign. When it's all just like flat, like your flywheel, time to replace it. I mean, our flywheel and our I don't really know what it's called, like
Pressure plate.
pressure plate. Yeah, the surfaces on them are definitely a little rough. So
It's got some like scorching from heat and stuff.
yeah, a little bit of scorching from heat. I mean,
On the flywheel too. I don't know if you can see that.
that's pretty standard, but
Yeah.
probably just give this like a ghetto garage resurface and do some research on how to do that. And throw it back together because this looks like enough. I mean, this thing isn't even making big power, so this should be more than enough clutch for what it is.
Yeah, just a stock NA 13B, so nothing,
We're only pushing like 150 horsepower, so
nothing crazy.
yeah, nothing crazy. This should be more than enough. If we blow it, we blow it. Whatever.
All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of our video. Honestly, we're super stoked, super impressed.
I feel really accomplished today. Like, we've never pulled a motor, like anything this serious mechanical, and we got it out in like basically 2 days. Like, it was a little bit longer time span, but we never really spent like what, more than 6 hours at a time as an absolute max.
Yeah.
Probably had like 10 hours. Yeah, 10 hours into pulling this motor out.
And that was also a lot of it just figuring out what we were doing.
Yeah,
too,
figuring out what we need to do, finding the tools and the parts took a while. Like
buying the hoist.
buying the hoist and finding all the hardware and everything. Yeah, it took a minute. So yeah, now that everything's out, we've got our motor chilling over here. We're gonna get a refresh going. Nothing crazy, but freshen up a little bit. Got our trans out. This car is unfortunately going to the junkyard soon. Sorry, baby. And yeah, we'll be moving on to this thing. So yeah, catch the next video.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.
Hell yeah. Peace out.